Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I gonna go to Hermes and Chanel store and we're gonna go shopping together. Before I start my shopping vlog, I want to talk about what I wanted to get from Hermes quickly. So I reserved 3 bags in Hermes because of a COVID-19 situation from last year. In Paris, the headquarters they closed for a few months, so they had to stop producing all the items, including bags, like jewelry, anything. So that's why it is hard to get some items this year. So I was trying to find my favorite color for smaller bags. So I wanted to reserve like bags, but my essay said it's hard to get any item, including bag, not because of its specific color or difficult color to get. So my essay said it's gonna take like few months. I'm not sure when I gonna get the bag I ordered in Hermes, but please wait for it and hopefully I get those bags I ordered soon. I really want to share with you guys. And the Chanel FW 2021 new season items will come in few weeks. I guess like 3 weeks or maximum 1 month. So yeah, I will let you guys know when there's a new item, show you guys the new item from store when it's released. So stay tuned and let's go shopping with me. Let's start with Hermes store. Since I reserved some bag, I'm still waiting for bags, but let's look around which item I can get. I love the white color and red color. This blue color is perfect for spring. I see neon color as well. Oh my god, see this pink color hardback? So I tried like size, Evelyn. Love this baby blue color, but I prefer small size, TPM size, but love the color. Oh my god, see this vibrant color of scarves. So I was checking lipstick as well. There's a satin, which is a little bit glossy and then silky texture, and there's a matte one. I prefer like satin one than matte. I was checking some fashion jewelries. There are so many cute ones for spring. These colors are perfect for spring. Also, I was checking some ready to wear. What do you think about this silk top and the white pants? I love this combination. This red print silk top, you can match with any like jean, skirt. I think it's pretty good. I love this detail. Oh my god, see this cashmere jacket? Love this baby blue color. I wish I have a bag with this color. I love this color. There was a long version as a coat. Okay, I was almost grabbing this white dress. The quality is amazing. You should try it on. So I was always thinking about getting Oran, but I couldn't decide which one I'm gonna get. But today I'm gonna decide what to get. At last. But I love all this color. I wish I have all this color. Which one would you get? I love this Thalassa sandal. There were so many colors, but I love this color. done with shopping. I got something I'm gonna share soon. Now let's go to Chanel store. I was checking like last minute of summer items. So I love this white top, but it was $3,000. I love this light pink tweed jacket. So this cashmere cardigan in 3 different lengths was hit this season, as you know. I would love to get this one. Since it's all sold out, I tried this boyfriend fit cardigan, but it is too snug fit. This mini messenger bag in pink is so adorable. I love the color. So I reserved this bag. Today it arrived, so I came to check. This was so cute and really like off-white color. But you know, I got another vanity bag in pale pink. Also, I got same white color in another style. So this time I had to pass. There was only this color available for Gabrielle backpack, but I didn't like this color, and chevron, not really my type. Since I don't have a large classic handbag, so I was trying. It's not that bad. I love 19 bag, but this color, too many things going on. I'm not sure about this orange color, but since I have a large size in black, I would love to have this size. This CC handle bag, I would prefer smaller size. I love this large shopping bag in blue and orange. Love this vivid color. Also, it was lighter than I thought. Now let's check shoe section. There's a lot of sneakers. I was checking like summer sandal. There are so many espadrille, mule. Oh my god, see this lemon color? I love this chain detail. So I got something. Wait for unboxing. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like fashion, lifestyle in LA, please subscribe my channel, give it a thumb and turn the notification.